Hi, Chef Jeff, and I'm back again to show you how to cut herbs fast. So we're gonna cut some thyme and some rosemary right here. So the easy way is take whatever herb you're doing and make a little cage with your fingers and just grab it and strip it. Strip it, all the herbs right off. Now, save that. You could use that in stock or something. Right, so take your herbs and just strip it and get some of that onto your cutting board. I got rosemary here. We're gonna do a little rosemary in here as well. I'll strip it and then pick the top. Strip it. Pick the top. Now, if you just take your knife and you start cutting right now, most time people just they start cutting like this, leaving kind of bigger pieces because they think that the right way to come back and do it is to do this thing where you put your hand here and you do this thing. But that choppy we call that, that's the wrong way to cut because that's gonna bruise all of your herbs, and instead we wanna cut through your herbs and let all the flavors come out and maintain their integrity. So to do that, you come in here and we say to get it into a ball to cut it small. All right, so get it into a ball so that you can cut it small. And now the first time you cut through, you should go as small as you can, just as fine cutting as possible. Right? Now, if you can't look me in the eye when you're cutting like I'm looking at you in the eye, well, you probably need to do my knife skills class, and that link is in the show notes, and so you'll be able to go and see that video. But for now, you cut as small as you can, concentrating on it now. Make sure you look at it, concentrate, and because I'm not responsible if you cut yourself, by the way, and cut as small as you can all the way through. And then I bet you, if you look at that, I'm probably 10, 15 times further down the road than if you would have gone back and done it this other way. So all I'll do from here is take it and turn it sideways if I want to get it any smaller, but heck, look at that. It's just tiny, except for a couple of big pieces I should pull out there, but it's tiny. Turn it, line it back up, and then again, cut it as small as you can the first time and second time through, and you will most likely be done. So I probably cut this down to a fine chopped herb in 1/10 of the time of doing it any other way.